Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress up like Tinkerbell and dress to impress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and you're going to color it yellow. Okay, and you can wear this shirt and change the toggle to classic and color it this green. Okay, this is for the color code. And then I'm going to wear the skirt and color it green and also white. Okay, let me color it white like this for the second selection and also the third selection. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear this one, and then we're going to color it green. Okay, and for the third selection, just color it white. And for the ribbon, I'm going to color it green. Oops, sorry. I think I want to make it white. Okay, and for the next selection, I'm gonna color it white. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next area. I'm going to wear this wing, and we're going to color it yellow. Okay, oops, it's too bright. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the stocking area, and I'm going to wear the stocking, and then I'm going to color it this green. Oops, sorry, I think it's too bright, so I'm going to make it darker. Okay. Okay, I decided to use this color. And then the last one, I'm going to grab an accessory. I'm going to wear this bag. Where is it? Okay, this one. And then I'm going to color it brown. Okay. Wait, let me make it darker. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Tinkerbell and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.